Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Angie, and here you will find videos on makeup, hair, skincare, vlogs. It's kind of like a little bit of everything, but today I will be reviewing the Mielle Organics. Mielle Organics Are you done? Okay. Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Daily Styling Cream. Now, I recently tried their deep conditioner and I really liked it. So I was like just browsing in Walmart, and literally this was the only thing left. They didn't have anything else available from the line. So I said, well, I really like their deep conditioner. Let me try this styling product. Now, when I looked at it and read up on it, it actually said that it could be used like by itself, like it could be good for a wash and go, which I was a little bit skeptical of because I normally kind of pair gels with my leave-ins. But I said, you know what, I'm gonna give it a true test and really just use this only by itself. So if you like to see how I use this product, continue to watch. Okay, so I did my makeup. I actually did a TikTok video, so that's why it's like hella dramatic. But yeah, I let my hair air dry. I did not use my diffuser, and these are the results. I feel like it has a little bit of crunch, so I think I'm gonna take some oil to crunch it out. But I'm really happy with these results. Like, first of all, I don't even have a lot of shrinkage, but I have definition, which is something that like you either gonna get definition and you're bound to get shrinkage, or you're not gonna get definition but your curls are gonna be elongated. So for me to still kind of have my length and have this level of definition, I'm shook. And the fact that I didn't use a gel, I just used one product, like that's crazy to me. Let me like kind of give you guys a good look. You can see what, like, I'm so impressed. I'm so happy. I ordered some more stuff from them, and now I'm even more excited because I really like my results. Like, this is crazy right now. I can't get over this. Like I said, it does feel like it has that hold, you know, which is expected, but I'm gonna put some oil to kind of combat that, but it doesn't even feel like super crunchy and weird, you know what I mean? Like, it feels still nice. So I really like my results. I'm very happy. This gets a thumbs up for me for sure, as you can see the results. Like, what? So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.